How to set a default font and font size in Excel. So first point, you need to go to file, file. Then you're going to go to options. Then you go to general. Then after you want to move down when creating a new workbook. In that you can have your default font. You can change to any font you require, and the font size, any font size you require, and how many new tabs that to show. So such tabs can be increased, one, two, three, four, how many tabs you want, minimum of one and maximum of how much you want. And the view can be in a break view or a page layout view or a normal view, or as per your view you can give it. Then please okay. Then if you make any changes, the Excel may ask you to restart the Excel. Then the changes what you made become default.